morning children. Today we are going to explain the question paper model for intermediate students, that is applicable for 1A, 1B, for the second year 2A and 2B. Actually before 2013 and 14 the question paper model is totally different. After 2013 and 14 the question paper model is totally differed. This is a new model from 2015 onwards. In this question paper, we have three parts: section A, section B and section C, and the maximum marks will be 75 and the maximum time will be 3 hours. Up to 10th class, the question paper pattern is totally different, but here the question paper pattern is totally different. Before going to start our intermediate, we have to know what is the pattern of question paper. Look at here. The first, in the section A. In the section A, very short answer type questions are there. Very short answer type in the sense here, within 2 to 3 steps, maximum 5 steps, we can get the answers. For that, each question carries 2 marks. Total 10 to 20 marks. This is compulsory section. Answer all questions. So 10 questions are there. Each question carries 2 marks. Total 20 marks. For the second section, section B, we have 7 questions here, but in that 7 questions, we have to attempt only 5 questions. Answer any 5 questions. From 11th to 11th, it will start. Whatever you want, you can write from that section. We have to write only 5 questions. Each question carries 4 marks. 5 4 20 marks. So here 2 choices are there. In that last section, section C. In the section C again, 7 questions will be there. It will start from 18th to 24. In that 7 questions, again we have to answer only 5 questions. Each question carries 7 marks. So total how many marks we can get here? 7, 5 into 7, total 35 marks. So the total question paper contains 24 questions. In that 24 questions, 10 compulsory questions. We have to write each and everything. 10 to 20 marks. In the second section, 7 questions are there. 2 will be choice. We have to attempt 5 questions. 5 4 20 marks. And the section C, again 7 questions are there. We have to attempt only 5 questions. So again 5 7 35 marks. So how many questions we will write here? 10 questions from here, 5 questions from here and 5 questions from here. Total we have to write 20 questions. And one more important thing is there here. In the 10th class, they will give the questions in the CCA pattern, but in the intermediate, they will give the questions only from the textbook. Other than textbook, they will not give any question. So confidently we can get 75 out of 75 if we will follow this pattern. In the next class, I will explain the weightage of the chapters, how many questions we will get from each chapter. So be ready with that. Thank you very much.